In this lesson, we'll continue to insert the screws into the assembly. We'll add the countersunk screws, holding the inserts to the prisms. Click Add a component from a file, go to the Standard Parts folder, and select the screw with a diameter of 5 and a length of 10. Click Open. Let's click by Matings in the context panel. Add the coincidence mating. Note that we're inserting a countersunk screw, so only one coincidence mating will be enough here if we apply it to the conical faces of the screw and the insert hole. Let me reverse the orientation. Confirm the mating. Confirm insertion. Repeat the same for the next 7 screws. After inserting these screws, stop the command. Let's add the remaining 4 screws by using the Mirroring of Components command. Select the ZY plane as the symmetry plane in the additional tree. Select these 4 screws. Select Symmetric Component Placement for all components. Let's check the result. The result is OK. We don't need to adjust anything more. Click OK.